Welcome to the fourth tutorial of 3dSlicer. This tutorial uses 3dSlicer version 5.6.0 stable release for Windows, but it is also valid for Linux or OS operative systems. The MR Brain Tumor 1 sample data should be loaded. Open slicer scene resulting from previous video tutorial. This chapter is oriented to teach about extensions available in Slicer. Extensions are programs with specific purposes that can be loaded inside Slicer. Before installing any extension, save all the Slicer work, because extension installation requires restarting Slicer. Extensions can be installed from Extension Manager and View menu. The Install Extensions window shows all extensions and allows to download and install them. On the left side there is a list of categories. Please, take your time to navigate and discover different extensions. Selecting the extension provides detailed information. I suggest to install some of them and dedicate some time to play with them. For the current tutorial, search for HD Brain Extraction, which is a segmentation extension type. So, first of all, install the extension. The installation process will include some Python libraries like PyTorch. Once installed, restart Slicer using the bottom right button. Reopen the previous project to compare both tumor segmentations. Open the extension located in Modules menu section Segmentation. First, select as input volume the MR Brain Tumor 1. Second, create a new skull strip volume. Third, create a brain segmentation. In Advanced, it is possible to select the computation device, CPU or GPU. Of course, using GPU speeds up the computation. Left the option in Auto and the extension will automatically select GPU and CUDA if available. The first time that the extension is used, it is possible that some PyTorch libraries will be installed requiring more time. Once the process has finished, return to Data menu. Drag the new volume to the 3D window. If MR Brain Tumor 1 volume visibility is enabled on the 3D window, then occlude it in the left menu using the eye icon. Turn on the visibility again to obtain a multi-layered 3D view. Also check that tumor segmentation visibility is enabled. Now, navigate on 2D slides to review the brain and the tumor. Also, you can activate crop utility in volume rendering. Enable crop and display ROI for BR Brain Tumor 1. Enable crop and display ROI for BR Brain Tumor 1 stripped HD brain. Modify both crop volumes too. Then visualize the tumor inside the segmented brain.